Scenic place. Where's everybody at? Probably working, Boomer Bob. You're retired and enjoying life. It's kind of rough conditions. It's supposed to warm up triple digits today, so I doubt I'm going to spend much time up in here. It's just not much shade today. A few ocotillos. Hither and yon. Whoa. Look at this moonscape looking. Well, I haven't been to the moon, but I got reservations. Wow. I've been looking at this from out west from my house towards the east here for, sheesh, 22 years. Here we are, Boomer Bob. Y'all be blessed now. Bye.